Good evening, viewers, and welcome to this week's edition of Ton Blockchain News. A major milestone for the Ton network as it reaches 10 million activated wallets, marking a significant 14-fold increase from just a year ago. With daily transactions hitting 5.4 million and a balanced burn and mint rate, the network's economic model is thriving. Next up, an exciting collaboration between Catizen and Major, set to drive innovation on the Ton network. Expect great things as these two powerhouses combine their expertise. TonKeeper has enhanced its platform security with a new spam transaction detection feature. This update allows users to identify and report suspicious transactions, reinforcing a secure trading environment. In platform integration news, a new feature tested by a Telegram developer now allows users to buy Telegram stars using Ton. This eagerly awaited update promises to expand the utility of Ton on Telegram's vibrant platform. Storm Trade has hit a remarkable trading volume of over 1 billion USD. This milestone is a testament to the community's active participation and the platform's stable APR, ensuring reliable returns for liquidity providers. Announcing a new partnership between Storm and Terminal, the first intellectual play-to-earn game on Ton, solve puzzles, earn points, and engage in a mentally stimulating blockchain experience. Attention Tonfish ecosystem participants, Tonfish needs your input. If you've staked fish or TPET on Ton raffles or created LPs, fill out their Google form to be eligible for a fish bag based on your confirmed holdings at game launch. Ton Stakers has been ranked as the top liquid staking protocol by BN Crypto. With a user-friendly interface and robust security, it's the go-to platform for staking on the open network. OKX expands its wallet services to include Ton, enhancing user experience with seamless discovery, management, and transfer of Ton-based assets. OKX Wallet now supports 100 different blockchains, ensuring comprehensive coverage for Web3 users. Don't miss out on the last chance for 70% APR with EVA on D-Dust. Learn how to become a liquidity provider and boost your DeFi strategies with their new guide. And finally, DappRadar now supports TonD apps, providing real-time insights and analytics. This integration allows users to discover and explore Ton projects directly on DappRadar. Thanks for watching our Ton Blockchain Roundup. For more details and updates, join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.